Hello, what's up, guys? In this video today I will show you how to break password-protected Excel sheet or how to open password-protected sheet without a password. I use here Excel 2013 version. First, you would set some setting for folder option. To set up open a folder here press Alt button from keyboard and click on Tools menu then Folder option. Then click on View. In here uncheck the box Hide extensions for known file type. Apply. OK. Then all files shown their own file extension. This is XLSX file. OK. Alright. Now you noticed this is password protection sheet. You can't edit this sheet without the password. OK. Change the file extension XLSX to zip. Amazing, this Excel file changed to a zip file. Open it. Then open Excel folder. Then open the worksheet folder. Here shows sheet 1. Click on it, open with Notepad. Notepad format change to Word Wrap. Then find out this sentence from this notepad. Delete the inner comma object. And change the word algorithm to password. Get out by saving this file. Yes. Then change the extension file type zip to XLSX again. Now open the Excel file. Here show a notification for some change this file. Click Yes. Close. There have no password protect in this sheet and you can edit this sheet as you wish. Alright. This is all for this tricks. Thanks for watching.